It's me, I'm with Fire, and I got myself something. It's a Coleman Bt200X or a mini moto. So, I was prepared to pay a little bit more, but they were actually on sale, so let's work our way in and see what's in the box. See if I can do this without slicing anything important. Oh, boxes falling everywhere. Even got air in the tires. So I got to put together the forks, put the front wheel in, probably oil. Now let's find out what's in this little box here. It went upside down. So. I wish I could get the packing tape these guys use, because my packing tape never sticks that well. Front fender, rear fender, probably the headlight assembly, bag of nuts and bolts, reflectors, and the all-important high quality made out of 100% Chinesium toolkit. Let's have a look at it. Oh yeah, check out the quality of these drop forged wrenches. They just scream quality. Anyway, I'll check back in a while with it assembled. So I've got my friendly assistant helper guy taking nuts and bolts off, hopefully going the right way. But it's coming along pretty quick, and should be able to have it up and running in a short while. Got to do some system checks on it.